Good morning to all. Welcome back to 7th Standard Social online class. Students, today you are going to write half-yearly exam, second term examination in social. So for social exam, we have totally 7 lessons. In history, we have 3 lessons. In geography, 2 lessons. And in civics also 2 lessons. So totally 7 lessons we are going to revise now. I will send the question button. You refer the question button afterwards. Now we will move to one word in all lessons. First, we will move from civics lesson number 2, media and democracy. Shall we see the one word? Yes, first choose the correct answer. Which one of the following comes under print media? Answer is newspaper. Which one of the following is a broadcast media? Radio. Answer is radio. Which invention has brought the world closer? Television. Which is mass media? Radio and television. The answer is both A and B. Why is it necessary for media to be independent? To write balanced report. So this is the answer. Know this answer correctly and study correctly. Now we will move to fill in the blanks. Dash have made the world smaller and closer. Answer is mass media. Every individual person is a medium of expression. Answer is expression. Printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg. Note this spelling clearly. Printing press was invented by Johannes Gutenberg. Dash is a code of value which govern our life. Ethics. Ethics is a code of value. Dash is a radio broadcast of the Government of India, Akashvani. See the fill in the blanks. Now match the following. Narrowcast media. Answer is seminar, social media, Facebook, print media, posters, web media, Google website, broadcast media, film. Then consider the following statement. Print media has been referred to as people university. It's the correct one. They perform the role of public informer, educate, custodian of public interest. That also correct reason. So answer is A is the correct one or is the correct explanation of A. So you tick A. Find out the odd one. Here newspaper, journal, posters, magazine, Twitter. Here the odd one is Twitter. Consider the following statement and choose the correct answer. Here the answer is A, B and C are correct. Media is generally the agency for interpersonal communication. It's the correct one. Media is a very powerful entity on the earth. Is a correct one. Media play a prominent role in the formation of public opinion. That also correct. Media does not have any responsibility. It's a wrong one. So here answer is A, B, C. You see that 2 mark questions. So what is media? How does the public gets news about the decisions that are taken in the legislative assembly? What are the importance of local media? Media is the 4th pillar of democracy. Justify. State any 2 responsibility of media. So you see first and 5th questions are very important. You say study thorough these questions. And regarding detail, there are 3 details are here. You study second detail is very important. In what ways does the media play an important role in a democracy? It's a very important detail question. Lesson number 1 in civic state government. Already we have studied this lesson for our second midterm exam. Already I have sent the revision video to you. You see that one word very clearly. And regarding questions, what are the qualifications become the governor of a state is an important question. And who appoint the chief minister and other ministers, that also important questions. Study these questions clearly. Who are called opposition, that also important. So you have to study 3 questions in this lesson. And describe the powers of the governor is important detail here. Now we will see geography lesson number 2, tourism. Choose the correct answer. Oldest type of tourism is religious tourism. In which state is the Haziranga National Park is located? Answer is Assam. Which one of the following is not a beach of India? Miami. Miami, it is in USA. Goa, Kovalam, Cochin, they are beaches of India. Which of the following is not a bird sanctuary? Kanha in Madhya Pradesh. Answer is Kanha in Madhya Pradesh. In which district Kutralam water was is located? Answer is Tirunelveli. Students, mark this answer clearly. Already I have sent to you. Now we will move to fill in the blanks. The three main components of tourism together known as A3 concept. Gastronomy refers to an aspect of cultural tourism. Gastronomy means cultural tourism. Surili Falls is also called as Cloudland Falls or Megamalai Falls. The second largest urban beach is Marina Beach. Second largest urban beach is Marina Beach. Expansion of TAI, Travel Agents Association of India. Students, you see this circle, the odd one. Surely it will come for the exam. Transport, attraction, accommodation, amenities. Here the odd one is transport. Nainital, Shillong, Munnar, Dikka. Here the odd one is Dikka. Corbett, Sundarban, Periyar, Mayani. Answer is Mayani. Kokenakal, Kumbhakarai, Suruli, Kalakad. Answer is Kalakad. Rishikesh, Ladakh, Gulmarg, Kotagiri. Answer is Kotagiri. Now we will move to match the following. Anamalai Hills, Top Slip, Monkey Falls, Coimbatore, Darjeeling, West Bengal, Nature Haven, Javadi, Agoda Beach, Goa. Now consider the following statement. Assertion: tourism is an essential activity for the life of the society. It's correct. Its direct impact on social, cultural, education and economic sector of the nation is a correct reason. So answer is A and R are correct and A explain R. One of the most popular beaches in Goa, Galagut, is a treat for the adventurous sports activities. That is correct. Foreigners throng the beaches. Both A and R are correct. A explain R. In this lesson regarding detail, students, you go through the first detail, that is very important for the exam. Explain the geographical component of tourism. What are the geographical component? Landform, water, vegetation, climate, animal life, and settlement features, cultures. So the first question is very, very important. In this lesson, we have three distinguish between. You have to study all the three distinguish between. Three must come for exam. In geography lesson number 2, 2 marks, there are 5 short answers are there. Students, write a short note on ecotourism, is important 2 mark questions. And what are the basic element of tourism? Name any 5 hill station in India. So these are the important 2 marks, you study well for the exam. Regarding distinguish between, you have to study all the distinguish between for the exam. Next, lesson number 1 in geography, resources. Students, I have sent, already I have sent the 1 mark revision for the second midterm exam. Regarding 2 mark questions, you study different resources is important one. And name the types of coal based on carbon content is also important one. See, this question is very important. And regarding detail, what are the different types of fossil fuel resources and explain them. Third detail is very, very important. Study these questions clearly for the exam. Define resources and what are the types of coal based on carbon content. Regarding detail, third detail is important. And here also you have to study all the distinguish between. In this lesson, you have to study all the give reasons. There is only 2 give reasons are there. Definitely 2 will come for exam. And you have to study 3 distinguish between also. Now we are going to revise third lesson in history. Rise of Maratha son Peshwa. Choose the correct answer. Who was the teacher and guardian of Shivaji? Dadaji Gundadev. How was the Prime Minister of Maratha king known? Peshwa. Name the family priest of Sambhuji Kavi College. What was the backbone of Shivaji army in the beginning? Infantry. Who proclaimed wars and freed Malwa and Gujarat from Mughal domination? Bajirao. So mark this answer correctly. Fill in the blanks. The spread of Bhakti movement in Maharashtra helped the Maratha people. Spread of which movement? Bhakti movement. Dash was the key official of revenue administration of Bishwa? Kama Vistar. Answer is Kama Vistar. The imperial movement of the Marathas sadly ended at Panipat in 1761. Dash was the foreign minister? Sumant or Dubir. Sambhuji succeeded Shivaji after a successful tussle with Anaji Tatu. Now match the following. Saji Bhonsle, Shivaji father. Sambhuji, son of Shivaji. Shagu, Shivaji's grandson. Jijabai, mother of Shivaji. Afzal Khan, general of Bijapur. You see this is true or false? Surely it will come for the exam. The rocky mountain terrain gave protection to the Maratha from invader. Is it true? Hymns composed in Sanskrit by the Bhakti site were sung by people of all caste and classes. Is a false one. Shivaji captured Purandar from Mughals. True. Deshmukhs held sway over rural region and their control was over between 20 and 100 villages. True. Abdali invaded 10 times before finally marching on Delhi. It's a false one. Consider the following statement. Soldiers were to live in fort and town far away from home. Maratha soldiers were not permitted to retire from battlefield each year for the purpose of cultivating their land. Here, or is not the correct explanation of A. Judging from the ledgers of correspondence and account books, Bishwas were keen on accurate record keeping. 1 and 2 are correct. Find the odd one. Shivaji, Shaji, Shivaji, Sambhuji, Shagu, Raghuji Bhonsle. Here the answer is Raghuji. Find out the wrong pair. Here Bishwa, Nagpur is a wrong pair. You leave that chronological order. This is no need. Regarding 2 more questions, the impact of Bhakti movement is an important one. And role of Kama Vistar also important one. And Battle of Panipat 1470-61 important one. So in this lesson you have to study 3 questions. First question, impact of Bhakti movement, role of Kama Vistar, and 5th question, Battle of Panipat. Regarding detail, you have to concentrate on first detail. Examine the essential features of Maratha administration under Shivaji. In lesson number 2 in history, the Mughal emperor. Regarding 2 more questions, students write the circumstances that led to the Battle of Panipat is very important 2 more questions. Write a note on Mansabdar system, that also important questions. Totally 3 questions are there. You have to study 2 questions in this lesson. Lesson number 2 in history. Then detail. Estimate Akbar as a pattern of learning is an important detail question. See here only 4 points are there. Estimate Akbar as a pattern of learning. Now lesson 1 in history, Vijayanagar and Bahmani kingdom. Who was the greatest ruler of Sangama dynasty? Devaraya II. Which was the most common animal depicted on the pillars of Vijayanagar style? Horse. Who was the last ruler of the Sangama dynasty? Virupaksha Raya II. Who ended the Sultanate in Madurai? Kumara Kampana. Name the Bahmani king who was a linguist and poet? Sultan Feroz. Come to the fill in the blanks. Dash was the capital of Aravid dynasty? Penugonta. Vijayanagar emperor issued a large number of gold coins called Varagas. Muhammad Gawan used Dash chemist, Persian chemist. In Vijayanagar administration, Dash look after the affairs of villages? Gowda. Then match the following. Vijayanagara, it means city of victory. Prataparutra, ruler of Odisha. Krishna Devaraya, Ashtadik Kajas. Abdul Razak, Persian emissary. Tenali Ramakrishnan, Panduranga, Mahamatyam. Assassin, the Vijayanagara army was considered one of the feared armies in India. Vijayanagara armies used both firearm and cavalry, or is the correct explanation of A. Here find out the wrong pair. Spices from Arabia is the wrong Bear. Then odd one, Harihara 2, Muhammad 1, Krishna Devaraya 1. Here the odd one is Muhammad 1. Here the consider the following statement. 1, 2 and 4 are correct one. Then come to the true or false. Harihara and Bukka were the founder of Bahmani kingdom. False. Krishna Devaraya, who reigned for 20 years, was the most illustrious rulers of Sangama dynasty. False. Allasani Bethana was the greatest of all Ashtadikajas. True. Kingship of Vijayanagara administration was hereditary. It was based on the principle of primogeniture. Is it true? There were 18 monarchs of Bahmani dynasty. Is also true. Say this true or false, it will come for exam. Regarding 1 or 2 sentence short answers questions, students study this first short answer. The 4 dynasties of Vijayanagara kingdom, Sangama, Saluva, Tuluva, Aravidu. First question is very important one. And the educational reforms of Alauddin Hasan Shah, 5th question. And 4th question, the 5 independent kingdoms of Deccan Sultanate. So in this lesson you have to study 1, 4 and 5. These 3 questions are important. In detail, there is only one detail, surely it will come for the exam. Discuss the career and achievement of Krishna Devaraya. Students, you have to mark 2 maps. One India outline map and one is another Tamil Nadu outline map. For India outline, you have to see page number 115 map. That is lesson number 2, Aurangzeb Empire. In this map, you have to mark 5 places. I will give the important places: Panipat, Delhi, Agra, Patna, Velur, Goa, Mumbai. So these are the important places. You practice well. Patna, Delhi, Agra, Panipat, Velur, Goa and Mumbai. In geography, lesson number 2, page number 156. Gindi, Vedandangal, Mukkurthi, Mudumalai, Point Calimar, Gulf of Mannar, Kalakadu. These are the important places. Again I am telling: Gindi, Vedandangal, Point Calimar, Mukkurthi, Mudumalai, Point Calimar, Gulf of Mannar, Kalakadu. These are the important places. You have to practice well for the exam. All the best students, study well.